Hey audio lovers! Today we're unboxing the H65C, a 6.5-inch 2-way component full-range speaker system, ready to pump up your car audio. Let's dive in. First, it comes as a pair with mesh steel grills and speaker fitment adapters included. A responsive polypropylene cone, UV-treated foam surround, and a dynamically balanced 1/2-inch silk dome tweeter. Plus, an external crossover network with tweeter protection for clean, balanced sound. Power rating from 120W RMS to 360W, so it handles both chill vibes and loud, thumping beats. And 4. Ohm impedance works with most car setups. Neodymium tweeter magnets, a strontium ferrite woofer magnet, and a powder-coated steel basket for durability. Mounting depth is 45 millimeters, which fits tons of cars. If you want your car audio to sound epic, the H65C delivers. Solid specs plus quality build equals next level sound. Catch you later.